First, we'll start with a light sketch of Nezuko's outline. Begin with a circle for her head. Remember to keep your lines light and easy to erase. Next, let's draw Nezuko's expressive eyes. Start with the upper eyelid, then the lower. Add her pupils and a bit of shine to make her eyes pop. Don't forget her small nose. Now let's move on to her hair. Nezuko's hair is long and wavy, so use flowing lines to capture that. Add her signature bamboo muzzle and the ribbon in her hair. Nezuko's outfit is intricate, so take your time with the step. Draw the patterns on her kimono and the folds of the fabric. This will bring your drawing to life. It's time to add some color. Start with a base color for her skin. Use light, even strokes to keep the color smooth. Color her hair and eyes and highlights and shadows to give them depth and make them pop.